To continue this assessment with Rasgueo number 4, 5, and 6, we have to have in mind this principle that we should play 3 notes with the same volume. So this is one, and then this is not good when we have the first note weaker, or the middle note weaker, or the last note weaker. Or of course we can do more mistakes, like having this like this, right? Then our angle when we are playing on the strings, if we visualize the strings this way, like if I take this angle, right, this angle here, then our range of playing on the strings should be hitting on the same part. Either the stroke is down or up, and not just random, like playing with the thumb up, the basses, ring finger down, the trebles, and index down, another thing, right? Should be very, very careful of this aspect of the volume, because otherwise we are jumping over the gradient, and then we will not progress as we desire to progress, to advance. Now let's do it. So on number 3, on Rasgueo number 4, sorry, then we will play, for example, at 87 beats per minute, 3 notes per beat. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ring finger down, index up. Same volume. Now to play more targeted playing, like what we were saying, that the text should be, we have to have a center. So therefore, if we play an E chord like this, the finger 1 on the 7th fret, finger 3 and 4 on the 9th fret, like this, we will do just playing 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd. So what we will do is this. We will play this kind of thing. We will rest our thumb here on the top of the guitar, and we will play these 4 low 4 strings, 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd. Therefore our center is in between the 5th and the 4th, right? That will be visualized in our center. Just like when the dancer has to do a pirouette, it has an imaginary center in her body or his body, right? Based on which she or he will do the pirouette perfectly, nicely, right? So we have to have the center here also, thinking of a center. This nobody explained before this thing. This is a Paco de Lucia's technique, which is perfect. One works perfectly. So provided you follow it. Now, this is our center. We will play these 4 strings, and our center will be in between the 5th and the 4th string. So let's play at 87 beats per minute, same thing. Let's go number 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we will have the same volume. Center, remember, there is one center there. Then, for example, okay, we will write down that we could play this thing at 87 to begin, 87 beats per minute, 3 notes per beat, today, 1st of November, but we will try to play a bit faster. Look what happened. There is one speed in which we lose control of the thing, and then we start or accenting one more or losing our center. That means that's the top of the speed we can reach that day, right? It's a dynamical concept. Otherwise, in guitar, really speaking, or we are going up or we are going down. There is not such a thing like keeping the level or something. That's very it's very unlikely that will happen. So let's try, for example, if we do 120. Look what happened. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Look. Because we should play this. Clean and fast like that, right? More notes per beat. But let's try 3 notes per beat. 2, 3, 4, E. So we don't play at all second and first string. To know yourself. The first one is sounding stronger, so we have to erase that difference to get same and play the same center. We don't play first and second string at all. We don't play it. We just play this, right? Same volume. We don't do that. That's wrong. Though. This is too much one accent. Apply. Same volume. That's better, because the idea is that when we play fast, we shouldn't notice. You should being able to tell what's up, what's down. It should be so even that we don't distinguish that.
Continuous.
It's continuous. Yes, that's right. That's right, dear. Okay, let's try now with Rasgueo number 5, which is thumb up, ring finger down, index down. So that one there. So at 120 beats per minute, hit, like, what's the mistake here is that we shouldn't play up the basses, then ring finger down hits here the trebles, and then index down hits another thing. That's wrong. We have to have one center. Okay, if we keep that center, then we write down the speed at which we will working, 120 beats per minute, and that's all. That's assessment for the Rasgueo number 5.